In this video, I am going to show you how to delete your YouTube TV library, including recorded shows and scheduled recordings, to clear up space or reset your account. While YouTube TV doesn't provide a one-click option to delete your entire library at once, you can manually remove individual recordings and scheduled shows. To get started, log into your YouTube TV account on the website or app. Navigate to the Library tab, where you'll find sections for recordings and scheduled. Under Recordings, locate the shows or episodes you want to delete. Hover over them and click the three-dot menu icon next to each one. From there, select Remove from Recordings to delete them permanently. If you want to stop future recordings, go to the Scheduled section under the Library tab. Find the series you no longer want to record and click the three-dot menu next to it. Choose Stop Recording Series to prevent new episodes from being saved. Unfortunately, there's no way to bulk delete all recordings at once, so you'll need to repeat this process for each item in your library. Keep in mind that deleting your library is permanent, and your cloud DVR recordings cannot be recovered once removed. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you learn how to delete your YouTube TV library, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.